Okay, so may pag-uusapan lang tayo mabilis and it's about Modulo. Basically kasi kung yung leaks yung nabasa nyo, some of them said na meron pang isang chapter. Pero nung lumabas na yung official na translation, hindi na nga. Tapos na talaga yung modulo. It ends with chapter 25. Nabitin ba ako? Yes, definitely. I really wanted to see more fights. Pero at the end of the day, modulo ended with how it was supposed to end. Especially if you understand what the story was going for. Okay naman yung naging pacing ng modulo. I think the only problem that we have talaga is may off-screen fight na naman. Pero the fact na hindi naglaban si Yuji at saka si Mahoraga or si Yuji at saka si Dabura absolutely makes sense. What's next for JJK? Honestly, hindi ko alam. I don't really know if paano nila kakabitan pa to in the future. Pero if I'm going to be honest, I really would like a series about the Heian era. And by the way, nag-iisip ako ng bagong possible na content dahil tapos na nga yung modulo. Pwedeng mag-focus ako sa sports, sa NBA, Jiu-Jitsu, pwede rin sa Pokemon, or pwedeng sa ibang anime. Let me know. Nice.